Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no service problem on Android device. So guys, if you are using any Android phone, now I am using Techno Android and facing the issue that no service. So guys, when I am going to install any SIM facing this type of issue again and again, so guys you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys after this you have to open your settings here. From here you need to scroll it down. From here you have to click on system, and guys now you have to click on here the option of reset phone, and here is the option of reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys after this you have to click on sim 1 and click on reset, and after this you have to select sim 2 and reset it again. And guys after this, the second method you need to do is you have to turn on your airplane mode for 3 to 4 times and turn it off. And guys after doing this, simply you have to restart your Android device, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is a problem on your sim, so guys simply you have to change your sim card, and guys check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys if not fix your problem yet, then guys maybe your Android phone has been physically damaged. So guys simply you have to check that, and guys after this you have to check to any mechanic, and he will fix your problem. And guys if your phone is not physically damaged and still not facing this issue, then guys maybe you are using oldest Android version. So guys how can you update this? You have to open your settings, connect any Wi-Fi connection, and you need to scroll it down. From here you have to click on system, and guys after this you have to click on system update, and you need to check for online update, and simply you have to update your Android to latest version. And guys after doing all these settings your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.